Walk forward with feet shoulder-width apart and arms bent at your sides. With each step, drive one knee up high while twisting your upper body toward that knee, bringing the opposite elbow to meet it. Alternate sides continuously as you walk, keeping the twist controlled and the core tight to the beat of the music. Walk forward with feet hip-width apart and arms soft at your sides. With each step, lift your heel high off the ground, landing heel first and rolling through the full foot before lifting the next. Keep your core tight, stay tall, and match each heel lift to the rhythm of the music. Travel sideways with arms lightly raised for balance. Step one foot out to the side, cross the other foot behind it, step out again, then cross in front, traveling sideways in a grapevine pattern. Keep your hips facing forward, steps light, and reverse direction smoothly to the beat. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Step one leg out to the side while keeping your arms extended. Return your leg and arms to the center. Repeat the movement by stepping the other leg out to the side and extending your arms again. Step one leg out to the side while making fists with your hands, opening your bent elbows to the sides. Return to the center, then repeat the movement with the other leg, stepping it out to the side while opening your hands again. Walk forward with feet together and arms swinging naturally at your sides. With each step, kick one heel up toward your buttock while swinging the opposite arm forward at the same time. Alternate sides continuously as you walk, keeping it light, coordinated, and on the beat. Stand tall with both arms stretched up overhead. Lift one knee up while the toes of that foot stay touching the floor. Hold for 1-2 seconds, keep your body straight and core tight. Lower the leg and switch sides. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and keep your back straight. Push both hands forward, extending your arms fully while keeping your shoulders relaxed. Pull both hands back towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together and your heel raises. Repeat the movement in a fluid motion, alternating between pushing and pulling, maintaining good posture and breathing steadily. Walk forward with feet shoulder-width apart and arms open wide at chest height. Cross both arms in front of your chest in a big hug as you step, then open them back out wide, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Keep alternating open and cross in a smooth, flowing rhythm as you continue walking. Stand tall with feet shoulder-width apart and arms extended straight in front at shoulder height. Open your arms and bend your knees slightly as one hand reaches to touch the opposite shoulder in front while the other hand reaches to the back. Return your arms to the front and straighten your legs to come back to the starting position. Perform all reps on one side first, then switch arm positions and repeat on the other side, moving slowly and with control. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and lift one knee towards your chest. Arm extended to the side of your body, while opposite arm folding at the elbow, keeping it at shoulder height. Lower your knee and arm back down, then repeat on the other side. Alternate sides in a fluid motion, keeping your posture straight and engaging your core throughout the movement.